Hey, hello guys, this is Shubhabrato and welcome back to my channel circuiTician. This is the first day of the year and I wish you all a very happy new year. I hope that 2023 brings you everything that you deserve. And in this new year, I have bought two things for my work. One is this microphone for creating YouTube content and another one is, okay, I will tell you that, but after this short intro. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. Let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then make sure you hit the subscribe button so we can start our journey together, and thanks to all of you for 1000 subscribers. As I have to do soldering jobs, sometimes I have to solder SMD components. At first, I used to do this with my bare eyes, but day after day it will put pressure on my eyes. So in this new year, I got myself a new digital microscope, which will help me to solder SMD components or smaller components more easily. And now I will show you the microscope and its features and also tell you that it is worth to buy or not. So this is the microscope I have bought, and it can be used in industry, educational purpose, for biological and any other purpose. So for magnification purpose basically. And here are some features of the microscope like 4.3 inch HD LCD display, multifunctional gimbal, 3.6 megapixel camera. Now I am unboxing it. And here are the parts which I get in the box. Now we will assemble it. Now the microscope will look like this after assembly. Now let's turn on the microscope and we will see some small things underneath it. Now I am seeing the AMS 1117 3.3 volt voltage regulator, which is in our ESP32 module. So you can see it clearly that how big it is showing in the microscope, and it is also clear. So at the right side of the microscope you can see some ports. In the bottom side there is a regulator for controlling the brightness of the focus LED. You can see I am controlling the brightness of the LED, which is beside the camera. And then we have a SD card slot where you can store video or pictures, can take screenshot. And this port is for mini USB cable, so you can connect this microscope with the PC. And this port is also used for charging the battery. In this microscope, here are some settings. You can select the resolution as HD or VGA. And you can also change the exposure. I keep it in auto mode. And there is one more function which is called USB function. In USB function there is two modes. One is memory mode, in which you can access the memory card of the microscope into your PC, and another one is PC camera mode. In this mode you can access the microscope camera directly into your PC. Besides this, you can also record video through this microscope and take screenshots, which will save into the SD card. We are done with the setup and let's do some soldering. Here I am soldering a resistor which package size is 1206, and you can see it is very easy to solder by seeing in this microscope. Including all goods and bads, I think that buying this microscope is worth it if you are doing SMD jobs very often. And let me know in the comment section below that what do you think about this microscope. And if you guys like this video, then make sure you hit the like button and share this video with your friends and technical community. And you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And if you want to help me out, then you can buy me a coffee. Link is given in the description below. And the most important thing, be creative.